Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I test different mobile hack methods so you don't waste your time. Today I checked out a method that claims to give you unlimited rainbow diamonds in One Piece Bounty Rush, straight from your phone. I went through the whole thing myself, got actual results, and I'll show you exactly what happened step by step. So the first thing the tool asks for player ID, you'll find it in your One Piece Bounty Rush profile or in the Settings tab. I just copied mine and had it ready for later. Nothing tricky here. Super quick step. Next, I opened this website and searched for the Unlimited Rainbow Diamonds option for One Piece Bounty Rush. The layout looked pretty standard, all the usual stuff. Nothing flashy, but clear enough to know what to do. On the next screen, I paste my player ID, selected my platform, I'm on Android, and hit Connect. The tool started doing its thing, showing progress updates as it linked to my account. Everything looked smooth, no errors or sketchy stuff popped up. After that, I got to choose how much resources I wanted. I decided to go big to see if it would really work. Once I clicked Generate, it began processing, loading bars, sync messages, the whole deal. Then it asked me to complete a quick verification step before finishing up. The verification was super simple, just download and open a free app for a short time. I did exactly what it asked, just to make sure everything went through correctly. It only took about a minute or two to complete. Once I was done, I reopened One Piece Bounty Rush and checked my balance, and yep, the new Rainbow Diamonds was there. The amount matched perfectly with what I picked earlier. It showed up fast, no waiting around or refreshing needed. So yeah, in my test, this method actually worked. I got the Rainbow Diamonds after completing the quick verification. As always, follow the steps carefully and stick to safe sources if you try it yourself. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to drop a like, share it around, and subscribe for more honest tests like this one. I might do a follow-up in a few days to see if it still works long-term. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see that. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.